Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I do my lazy wash day routine to cut that time in half. If you are a natural, you already know wash day is long and excruciating. So I'm starting off with the Rosemary plus Mint Invigorating Shampoo, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my scalp and just work my way throughout my whole head. If you guys already watched my previous video, then you know that I absolutely love the conditioner from this collection. So I went ahead and purchased the shampoo to give it a try, and I loved it. It did leave my scalp feeling fresh and so clean, and my hair did not feel stripped at all. So right now I'm just working the product into my hair before it's time to rinse it out. Now I'm going in with the Rose plus Mint Invigorating Clean Conditioner. Like I said before, you already know this is Be. This is my current favorite conditioner right now. Leaves your scalp feeling fresh and your hair very moisturized and soft. So I'm just working the conditioner through my hair and really getting it into the roots as well as the ends of my hair. Now I'm just finger detangling and making sure that my hair is saturated with the conditioner. Now I'm going in with the Almond plus Shea Butter Deep Conditioning Mask. I think this was a trial run or like a test run with this product because it came with the conditioner. It was attached to the conditioner, so I think it's like a test trial. So I wanted to go ahead and try this in the video, especially because I only had to leave this in my hair for about 10 minutes. So definitely works for my lazy wash day. So applying this deep conditioner in my hair, I will say that it was very moisturizing and it was thick. It was definitely thick and it left my hair feeling extremely soft, and you will see that in a little bit. Here I'm just placing on a shower cap on my head, and I left the deep conditioner in my head for about 10 to 15 minutes while I basically took my shower. And these are the results. My hair felt amazing. I didn't rinse the product out yet. I just wanted to show you guys the curl definition, and my hair felt so soft after using this. As you can see, I loved it. The camera battery did die, so I didn't get to film me doing my braids, but this is the end result of my head being completely finished. And now I'm just pinning my hair back just to get a little bit of stretch. At this point, guys, I'm extremely tired. It was a late night. This was a late wash day. And we're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to comment below and let me know what you guys do for your lazy wash day routine. And until next time, peace.